Let's get started with the first topic, which is machine learning. First thing I'm going to try to convince you is that although you may or may not be super familiar with the terms, you all know machine learning really well, and the reason is you all have a brain. And since you have a brain, your brain is a great pattern recognizer. Okay? I'll show you why. Can anyone describe what you see in this chart? Yeah, so every dot in this chart is a person. And of these people, we know two things. We know the height and we know the weight. Okay? And is there any pattern that you identify? Yeah, if you're taller, you're also on average heavier. As the weight increases, the height increases and vice versa. Okay? So if we had to describe this, we would say there's probably like a linear correlation. We would use a technique called a linear regression to find the line of best fit. Okay? Basically, this is a rule or a function that maps the value of height into the value of weight. Okay? And so it allows you to formulate a prediction of, hey, if I have a person that is 65 inches high, what's the average weight of this person? Okay? That's called a regression. Predicting a number. That's the main thing.